Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quit the Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. Now, when you're playing the Mobile Legends game, most players don't find the quit button, which is why they simply use the back button on their Android device, and sometimes they also use the home button to quit the game. Some users may also resort to going to the recents and then closing the game from there. However, the quit button is rather easy to find. Once you have opened up the game, from the main menu, simply click on the settings button at the top right corner. Now you will be taken into the settings page, within which you will simply find the quit button at the bottom right corner. Just tap on the quit game button and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to quit. Simply click on the quit button and this will exit the game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to quit the Mobile Legends game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.